Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Larry here again. I wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about a slight change in direction for LIOI Systems. Uh, we are no longer doing a one-on-one assisted stretching services. We're also putting on the back burner the educational certification part for the assisted stretching program. Not that it wasn't good, it's just it's too time consuming for me right now. Also, we are developing more products and services that align with what we're really aiming to do. Fitness is great. I love it. Been doing it for 30 years. However, there are a lot of missing pieces between fitness and healthcare. And it's about time that we focused on bridging that gap. With that said, our fitness diagnostics program is a little bit different now. We've added more to it to get a very, very large picture of what's going on within each individual that comes to work with us. It's no longer just one or two movements, three or four movements, uh, and a posture screen, or how are you eating? Do you have any history of your typical medical history stuff? We go really, really in depth with everything about you to get your in a full body picture of everything that you're going through. Yes, we still do the movement tests. Yes, we still do the functional movements and all that things because we need to see how you move. But coupled with all of our other stuff that we do, we get a better picture of what's actually going on with an individual. And I can honestly say it's probably the most in depth assessment program that I've ever come across in my 30 years of doing this. So that is our focus. We're going to be really, really digging deep into getting these out to people. An individual can come and sign up with us, or if you're a fitness center personal trainer or whatever, and you really want to get answers to things and you're not really quite sure, you can come to us too, and we will work together. Our goal right now is to get as many people as we possibly can figured out, straightened out, and on the right path to lifestyle success. Not just weight loss or anything like that, but lifestyle success. Being able to say yes to certain uh, actions or activities. No longer, oh, my knees hurt, my hips hurt, I really can't do that. I get too tired, or this, that, and the other thing. None of that anymore. We're focusing on getting rid of those excuses, those answers, those responses. And along the way, if we could get people exercising regularly and consistently, who knows? Maybe we could help with blood pressure and cholesterol and arthritis and everything else that's going on. So we're really digging our feet into this right now because we believe that this is where we should be going, not necessarily exactly what is necessary. It is, but we're joining a team here. Us and the client are a team. And if necessary, working with healthcare professionals, physical therapists, chiropractors, massage therapists, regular doctors, everybody in between, because when the individual, the client, is asking for help, we need to provide that help. So that is what we're focusing on. So if you notice any updates to the website, we removed pretty much everything except for the fitness diagnostics, because that's what we're going to be focusing on. Now, what we had to do was also increase the cost of the diagnostic system because we want people who are really serious about this. So having it really inexpensive now floods the gate with people who just wanted to see what it was. And that takes precious time away. We have very limited time right now as it is because I got a little popular with it for myself. So I don't have a lot of time left readily available. You can check on the website, there is a schedule there of available times. So if you're interested, reach out to us and we can help you with that. However, like I said, Space is very limited, time is very limited, because we're getting really, really busy with this. We are only focusing on doing that right now. We're not really even taking one-on-one sessions anymore. Just not enough time in the day. So that's that. On the other hand, we do provide monthly follow-ups and coaching if a client should choose to. We're also working on a specific program that helps with alignment, just bringing back your physical joint alignments, and making your body feel right and all that fun jazz. So that's going to be coming out hopefully soon, and that'll be a monthly program if anybody wants to join up with that. We have those sessions via uh, video conferences. We don't, so anywhere in the world you can do it. Anywhere in the world we can do it for you, not for you, do it with you, and coach you along to make sure you're doing everything correctly, and then program it specifically. One-on-one sessions still need to happen, uh, because you have questions, things arise, or that particular day your program isn't suitable to how you're feeling. So we'll still do those sessions on a monthly scale, but physically in a gym or a rehab setting or at a client's house, like, we will not be going to your house anymore, or your gym anymore, or you won't be coming to us anymore. Mostly because I'm traveling too much. So I have a few sessions in the UK now. So I educate and I teach this diagnostic program to people, and I constantly keep doing it. I know that sounds kind of counterintuitive that we don't do one-on-one sessions, but yet I'm traveling to do one-on-one sessions. Uh, it's to get everybody situated, and then I disappear. My goal is for you not to work with us within a year. That you'll be well versed, well educated, and well on your way to doing it on your own. And that's the goal. So a monthly service where we're not actually, having to worry about it, I think is a great stepping stone to you not needing us at all. In the beginning, we'll talk a lot, we'll email a lot, we'll text a lot, but then after that, you will take care of this. And I think that's the way it should be. And if anything else arises, we'll be here to help. So that is the future of LIOI Systems. That's why I've been gone for a while. I haven't really uploaded videos. My social media is pretty much dead. Uh, just been busy trying to change the future. But it took me a while to make this decision, and I think it's going to be what's best for me, for my clientele, and I think for you guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Um, we added a few new assessments also, by the way. We do like 12 to 13 movements on top of everything else. So it takes a while. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you soon.